Hello everyone, now today we're going to be talking about bubble sort, and I think bubble sort is the easiest sorting algorithm to understand. Now once again, we're not going to program it because it's a bit beyond beginner, I would say. Now, we are going to go through the diagram. I'm going to try to explain it a bit better than last episode because I know I didn't do very well. So what we've got here is an unordered list, and the way a bubble sort works is it compares the first two items of the list, and then it'll move on to the next two, and so on. It compares each item one at a time. So let me get out my red pen here. What it'll do is it'll check the 4 and the 2, and it'll compare them. Are they, is 4 bigger than 2? Yes it is, so it'll swap them around. So then we'll have 2 and 4. Next, we'll compare the next two numbers, 4 and 3, because obviously remember, because we've swapped the 4 and the 2 around, the 4 now takes the 2's position, so the 4's next to the 3. So now we compare the 4 with the 3. Is 4 bigger than 3? Yes. So what we've got now, we've got a 3 and then a 4, because they get swapped around. Now we compare a 4 and a 1. And is 4 bigger than 1? Yes, so they get swapped around. I'm going to start getting a bit more confusing, so I'm going to just do this. The diagram. I know this looks a bit weird, but I'm just trying to keep it on one page. So now it will compare 4 with 7. Is 4 bigger than 7? No, so they stay the same. 4 and 7. Then it will compare 7 with 6. Is 7 bigger than 6? Yes. So then it will swap the 6 and the 7s. 6, 7. So now what we'll have is a list that looks something like this. 2, 3, 1, 4, 7. Oh no, sorry, not 7. 6, 7. And what's that done there is it's looped around the whole list once. That's called a pass. That is one pass. It's gone through the list once. Now it did the same thing again. It will compare the 2 and the 3. They stay the same. Next to 3 and the 1, obviously 3 is bigger than 1, so they swap around. Next to 3 and the 4, they stayed the same. Next to 4 and the 6, they stayed the same. And the 6 and the 7, they stayed the same. So now what we've got is 2. Sorry, that was terrible. There we go. Oh gosh. 2, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7. That is our new list. Now we'll do another pass. Is 2 bigger than 1? Yes. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 6, 6, 7. So now, as you can see, what we've got is the new list will look something like this. Like so, and we can see that this is an ordered list. However, the computer doesn't know that it's ordered because it has to scan through it one more time just to make sure. It has to do one more pass just to double check. So it will compare 1 and 2. Are these alright? Yes, they are. That's correct. It will move on. Are 2 and 3 okay? Yep, that's correct. Are 3 and 4 okay? Yep. Are 4 and 6? Yep. And 6 and 7? Yep. And then it will know that the list is in fact ordered. That's basically how a bubble sort works. And this is not brilliant. Not exactly efficient. So I don't recommend this. Obviously, we're not going to go through it and programming of it in the beginner series. But yeah, I don't really recommend this as it is not very efficient. It does take up a bit of memory, but it does get the job done, and it's probably the simplest sorting algorithm. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. Make sure to leave a like, and if you do enjoy our videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell. So yeah, thanks for watching, and goodbye, everyone.